Is my screen is visible, no? So anyone can confirm.
Yeah, now we can.
Thank you. So, hi everyone. Welcome to Goa Mules of Meetup Group. So, thank you all for taking your time and join this session. And today we are celebrating Max birthday, 10th birthday. So, everyone can. I request everyone to put wishes to Max in chat box. So, my wish will be stay strong and live long. These wishes from my side to Max. So we'll start today. Okay, today topic for today's meetup is meals of personalized birthday or anniversary alert. So for your information, the session will be recorded for your reference. So you can find the content or a video through the like my YouTube channel or event page. So before starting the session, let me introduce all organizer for Goa Meetup. So the organizers are like Gaurav Dubey, myself, and Gaurav Dimate. So Gaurav Dubey, he is a MuleSoft developer at Capgemini. He stays in Australia, and he also MuleSoft top MuleSoft Mentor 2024 and the Goa and Nagpur meetup leader. And myself, Vandana Gowda, I have total 3 years of experience in IT and MuleSoft. I'm a MuleSoft certified and a top mentor 2024 and a Goa meetup leader and a blogger. And comes to Gaurav Mate, he is a senior architect at MT Data, and he is also a meetup Goa meetup leader and a mentor. So, feel free to reach out us, like, if you have any concern, like queries, feedback regarding the meetup, or you want to become a speaker, like, feel free to reach out us, either Gaurav or me. So we'll guide you. And if you have any queries, please put it in the chat. And we'll move to today's speak about the speaker. Today's speaker is Rafia Sultana. She is an integration specialist at MR Dubai, and she have totally 9+ years of IT industry experience and 6+ years of MuleSoft. And she is like a MuleSoft mentor and providing guidance and support to developers. And she is also a MuleSoft certified developer, and she is an active member of the MuleSoft community, and she's also contribute to forums and community events. Yeah, that's great, Rafia. And we'll move to the topic. Rafia, you can share your screen and yeah, over to you. All the best.
Thank you, Vandana. Thanks for this. Let me share my screen. Let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, yes, we are able to.
So, can you hear me?
Yes, Rafia. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. So myself, Rafia Sultana, where I'm having total 9+ years of experience in the IT and 6 in the MuleSoft. So this is my first meetup with Goa team, and today it's just a simple topic which I have chosen to discuss with you, like. Whatever the triggers alerts which we are sending to our organization in like birthday alerts or the anniversary alerts and all this. So generally we prefer to be sending these emails by using some templates or some images that need to be get again modify with some of their particular, suppose the email alert we are sending, then the particular person name and all the details we need to integrate into the image, and that image need to be get sent to the as an email to that person. So here I'm using as uh, collecting the data of all this organization employees whoever are there from the report, from the BI report which we have, and from there we are sending the emails and all. So we'll see this process how I'm using and what are the flow design and what are the connectors I have used and all that. So the main agenda of this is sending an email alerts. For that, I'm using the random templates where the templates will not be the same for all the users, and this random templates will be get collected based on org templates what they have designed with the logos and all that, and even the data what they have given into that template on that. So for this to create and to generate the flow and to process all this, so here I'm using this creating the project in the MuleSoft in the Anypoint Studio and designing the solution for that particular flow. And for this I have created the main flow where we will be extracting the data, and also the subflow to process the image, whatever the image I have. For that particular image I need to process, like I need to add the names of that user, and also I'll show you up how we will be doing all this. And at last we'll be sending an email. So the this emails as for in my org what I have what I am using. So in that, like, we do have an on premises and we do have all this set up for our server to send the details and to get the details and all. So by using that I was yeah, working on that, but currently I can't use that one here. So I have used this uh, SMTP server Gmail one. So we'll see whether this will help me for to generate these emails or not. So for that particular flows, whatever I have created for that, I have used error handling, and we can go with the testing as well. So the first thing is, as I said, like we are getting the data of all the employees here in this main flow, where I have used a BI report where I will be collecting dynamically all the details of the user, like names, email address of that particular user, because this I have configured as a scheduler where every day morning at 8 o'clock it will trigger and it will send an birthday alerts to for that employees with their information whatever I have. So to get that details I took the help of this BI report, so where I will be collecting all the details. So after that, customize greetings means like the customize template I will be creating with the help of that data, and that template greeting is embedded to the HTML email and send it to the with the SMTP server. With this we are triggering the email to them. So this process overall to trigger creating the image and converting that image and adding some data to this image, I have taken this used this Java class in this, where we can customize our data whatever it is required for my template. So the final output whatever I am getting, that I am converting into the base 64 and again encoding into the image, and that will be attached to the as a content to the email body, and that I will be sending to the users. So this is a problem statements, like we are sending the birthday alerts. And the thing is, like, you the random templates, as I said, suppose I do have like per day I get for this for today I got only 20 employees or there which we need to wish. So for all the 20 employees I'm not using the same template here. That template I am randomly selecting like I do put like some collective of 5 templates suppose. Then I pick randomly each template to all these 20 employees, and that will get processed. For each random template again I will be like um, creating this all details, merging all the details and pushing it to the as a content to that email. So coming to the prerequisites, whatever we required before we start this concept, like to generate this email and all, before we start, but we need some of those in the prior. Those are like the templates. I will show you that what I have used the templates for that. Like as you know, like as we will be sending to the org, definitely we put some logo. We have particular images, we have particular data to put under that, like warm wishes for them to so these all we have selected and we kept as a like a source for that. Under that only we are using for all these details. So for that we need these templates, and to consume all this BI report details, whatever I do have to get these details and all. So we need this web service connection details, as I'm using this XML BI report, and to get the data from like employee details, so that I can take dynamic names which I can capture the email address of their particular employee. Suppose if we are going for any anniversary alerts, if you want to put, then I will get in the report data like how many years they have completed in the org and all. So all this input which is required to add it in the template, those I will be getting from the source, like which is a BI report, where I'm using this web service connections, web service. So to get those details, we need this web service connection details as well. As currently I will see how we will manage all this, because these are all connected through the. Yeah, the next is like same as usual, to send an email to a user. Then we need this SMTP server connection details as well. So to create the project, as you know, like we can create this project in the Anypoint Studio. So for me, I have just created a small one, like birthday alerts. This is a project which I have created, and these are the templates I have used. Like 6 templates are there. I gave the name which I kept under resources under birthday alerts folder. By I gave the names as for this all are the PNG format, and I gave these names. Based on this, whenever I require to send, it will randomly pick from these templates, and those templates only it will be getting used for to process the details for that particular image and all. And this is one template, like as I am attaching this HTML template to this email connector, so we require this template.html file as well, where I will be putting my processed image, which I have added all the details, user related details, or anything, whatever information which we added, that I will be importing into this template.html file, and that file we will be attaching to the connector. So these are the sample templates I have used to add the names and all. So this is all uh, but generally if you go to the any like org related or anything which we generally we will add the logos, and we will add some more information if anything is there. They choose selective templates for that to send and all. So here the, I have used only 4 to 5 templates, like, but general in the moreover in the daily we may get all this, like for me sometimes we may get the 50 employees and 30 employees or some. So currently we do have a 10 templates where we are using for the these information to put it, and randomly to pick these templates and all. So this is all the theoretically which we have checked over the flow, like what we are using and all. So this is the main flow which I have created here in the project. This main flow you can see here. This I have used the SOAP UI which I'm collecting for the BI reports and all, right. So I have used this WSL consume connector where we are consuming all the report and collecting the data of that report, and that data which I'm getting in a XML format. So that all the data I will be getting through this report. This is how I have created the main flow, where first the source input I will be collecting from the report, and that report I'm converting into the JSON, and then I'm triggering for this birthday alert, this one flow reference. We'll see the subflow. So under birthday alert, this is a main flow where we are processing the image and creating the dynamic templates and all. So here the first is a transform message where I'll be getting the input as suppose I do why I use this for each, like I need to create this template for each user. It's like for each user I will be creating one template and pushing that email, adding that template to that email and pushing that to the. So this is the subflow which I have created. So here I'll be using the transform message as well as an payload, set payload and all, and the parts template where I have added my all the HTML content to that parts template, and that template is adding the sending to the email through the send email connector. So as you see here, the transform message which I am using for the subflow, this under this transform message, I have used the first payload object of that particular report. What I'm getting, so it means like first you any one user I'll be getting here. Or for that, the templates whatever I'm having in the resource folder, like the this all the templates. So this is this templates I'm reading from the resource folder. So read all the images from the resource folder, and I'm saving into the variable that is a template list. So under this is how I'm calling the this all the resource templates which are like images whatever we have kept under the resource folder. And after calling this is what I'm saving this template list of all, because I need to pick it up randomly whatever I am having in the resource. So each random template whatever I am getting, this I am again reading into the reading that particular URL with the random one. So this they like to read this random template again we do have one random function which I have used. I'll show you at the time of running the code. And this is a Java class which I will be invoking uh, data view to call this Java class. Under this class only, I will be processing the image, whatever I have, to add the details for that image and to like suppose the font, the image, whatever I do have. Like if you go back here, these are the templates, right? So each and every template is having different font and different size, as well as in the color also is get changed. So based on these only, we will be writing the code in the Java, so that it can get selected to that particular font, that particular size, so that it can get matched to that. And even the dimensions which we are writing our the details of the username and all that. So for that also, we are using Java class this Java class to get all the details. This is how.
Hi, Rafia.
Yeah.
Can you please
Hi.
that hide that one? In down we have a screen bar.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, and this is the Java class which I'm invoking here in the data view of the mill. So the name, this where I'm capturing the name from the list, from the data, from the report what I'm getting. So this name is like I have saved in one of the details, variable user details. So from there I'm taking all this first name of that particular user, and random template. This is a random template which I'm calling to get to pick the random template of that particular. And this is an image which I have converted into in in the Java class. So this is the class which I am using, where I am passing the image name and template. What is a template is that? So each template, suppose now for this I took only five. So for five templates, for each template, whatever the this font, color, and what the name we need to write, at which position we have to write, and all this. So that all I have mentioned here in this class. So this is how we will be adding dynamically to that image, like adding details for that image. Again, this won't be the same for all that. It depends upon the templates what we are using, and we need to check out this the size of the template, the day, like the color, the font, and everything. So we need to before choosing the templates, before collecting all these details, you should know like what is the font we need to match for that, and what is that dimensions we need to put, and way to draw our string like dear. So username, and down we'll be having all the information. So what is that dimensions which we need to add it. So it depends, and it may get, it changes for each depends upon the template, the image which we are using. So it will get changed, it won't be the same one. So now after getting that image, converting all these details in the Java, after using all that, that image I will convert it into this base 64 as a binary here, to base 64. Then this I will be passing into the template. So as I said, like I'm using this HTML template. So this HTML template, whatever the changes till now we have done for the image, whatever this data which we have imported in the image based on this font and everything, so that I will be converting into the base 64 and importing here in this template.html file. So as you have seen, like in our code, under resources I have kept this file. So this file we are in like the processed image is getting put into this file. So after putting all these details, then we will be just connecting to the this sending email to this connector with this processed image. This this template, HTML template, I have kept under the body, so that as an image body to that email, and that will be get send it to the user. So this is the one which I have, the sample one. So this is we will get the response in this format. If you see like if you see the previous image where I am having the temp, let me show you that. So if you say this here, they just this is the uh, like template. This is that information we have in this, and for this we have to import the user details, like for which user I'm sending this template. So this template again, it will be get picked randomly, it won't be the same for all the users. So this is how it will add the name to the in the response after processing the image. And also because I am giving the name in the to process here, just I'm adding the name here to process in the image. If you see this class, just I'm adding the name of that particular user. But the thing is, we are mentioning what is a font, what is a color, and what is this what are the dimensions, and what are the string where we need to draw for particular thing, size and all. So that we are mentioning. Similarly, by using all this by getting processed with this is how it will get written here in this template. This is a response we got for this after processing the image. So any questions?
We have one question.
Yeah.
Can't we do same logic with the mule components or connectors instead of Java? Someone
uh
asked.
yes. No, actually the data view was not supporting for this import functions whatever I have used, like this one. If you see the drawn, the Java class which I have used here, let me share that one. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, okay.
Huh. Yeah. So this is under this class I have used this graphic 2D and buffer images and all this, right? So this was not getting imported in the data view. That was not supporting me. So I have gone to this Java class for that. Hope you got the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's a simple thing. Just it's not like much complex or something. Just the thing is like we need to get proper templates. We need to have proper and also we need to choose the templates, and we need to find out the dimensions and all. That is the most tough thing we will face here, because it should match exactly to the name, exactly to the line and all this, that should be get imported into the this one to the image. So let me share you the code. I will just run the code. uh, SMTP server, as I'm not using any of my org related information and all here, so I can't help you with the live test of this, because this is not supporting SMTP, Gmail SMTP server I have used here. So that is not supporting me to process. But if you try with your end, whatever it is there, so that will be helpful for you. I have given you the sample template where you can see the image we are getting for that. So let me share my screen and show you the code. I will run the code and I will show you and explain. Let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, yes, we are able to see.
Huh. So this is a sample code I have implemented. Okay, here I have created. So this code, uh, this is a main flow, and under this main flow, I have used a listener. Okay, to just call the API. And but basically this was not my at my end what I have integrated, right? So that was a scheduler where daily at morning 8 o'clock it has to run, and it has to give all this details. So, as this is the main flow, here I have used, as I said, like I am getting all the details from the DA report. So, this is the connector where it will consume all the details of that report. I can't show you the details of what the connection, because I don't have that currently outside the ARG. I can't use that, so I don't have those details. But this is the flow where I have used this consume connector to get the details. And after getting those details, I'm transforming that XML to the JSON. Okay. After getting the JSON, so this is just a sample I have kept here. After getting, this is how I will get the JSON format of my file. So this is what that, like you will get the first name, and suppose the same report I'm getting for both anniversary as well as in birthday. So they have both anniversary and birthday related one. So I need to add like uh, birthday name. For the birthday templates, just I'll be adding the names, dear Rafia so and so, all the information will be there, and the wishes of that particular for that template. And in the anniversary, the thing is like I need to add the how many years they have completed and all. So we do have particular text there to add it. So just I will be adding the template a congrats that you have completed 8th year, 7th year. So this all, this is picking from this report data, and from that I will be adding into the this one image template. So I'll share you that as well, how to add the anniversary related data also. And this is a email address. This email address, and this is an event where this event will differentiate. Suppose let me share you here. So suppose I do have like two employee details. So one is like a birthday event I got, and one is the anniversary event. So for anniversary event, I'll be using one template, and I'll be using these details, and that only the same I will be converting and saying adding the information into that anniversary. And this is the same as birthday. So the thing is like this email address, it will be like dynamically I'm taking up from this report and adding it sending to the users. So as I get this birthday and anniversary same report, bi report, same report only, as I'm getting both the information. So what I have done is I parallelly am processing both the this one um, image process. So if you go, this is the subflow which I'm calling for the birthday, and this is for the anniversary. So if you go to this, hmm, now this is the transfer message which I am using to filter the report with the birthday. So whatever the event I am getting from the report, I am filtering to the birthday events. So this all, it will get all the information of the birthday users, what whoever the employees having the birthday, that information will be get here in this payload. And this is a template list. So as you see under resources, I have kept under birthday alerts, these are the images which I have kept here. So that is what I'm calling here. and putting in the list as a list for this, for all the templates. Means like from the resources I'm reading all the png images whatever I have kept for that. So after reading, what I'll be doing for each user, now I have here the payload for the filter of all array of all the like 10 to 5 users. I have the details. Now for each user, I will collect the random template. Suppose this is a list what I have the previously. With that for that list, I have taken this random method, and with this method I am picking the random image of that particular for all the list of those png images. Now you may get any random image like image 1 or 2 or 3 for that user. Will run the it and I'll show you upon this. Now after getting the random image and all, this image template whatever I'm getting, I'm reading that image template, and then I'm sending that details to this java class. So what all the information I have here: name, random template of that, and the image, that is the image which I have picked, converted into binary, and sending to this class. So under resources, this is the java class which I have. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, like, I'm taking the image which is in the binary and taking the name of that particular employee and the random template what I have here. It depends. I use the template name format as this way. You can use in any way, or you can put particular standard template names, and you can put the condition as if particular that name or so. But I have used in this format, and I choose as if this contains 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5. Based on this template, read it has to set the font, the color, and also the string it has to draw at these dimensions. So this is mostly important, what the template we are using, and what is the size, and what is the color of that font, and how to fix that. This I have created with these dimensions and all. I have selected by, like, you can say, like, in the paint format, where we have chosen the dimensions, and based on that we get these values, and I have kept it here. So this is the one for the image processing. Similarly, I'll show you up for this. This is the other method which I have created for anniversary. So the same, as I am using only the single template for the anniversary, not with the dynamic one. So here the thing is, like, this is the information I'm adding to the template. Congratulations. And this is the year which I am passing. Let me show you from this so that you may not get confused. So this is the flow of the birthday events, right? The similarly we do have a flow of anniversary also. Under this, if you see the method, this is the add text to image. This is the method which I am calling for the anniversary, and this is having the name and year. So this is what I'm passing in the java class. So if you see here, for this name and the year, I'm adding to this template. So that year also I should add, not like just 1, 2, 3, not like that. So I'm formatting that particular year as well with this like second, like, we need to give third, second, first. So we need to add this in this format to the years. So this is the sample code I do have to convert and all this like number format to this string as well. so that we can import it into the image. So this is one. This is a Java class which I am using. So if you come back to the flow, okay. So this is what the class which we are using to get the details, and conversions happen and all this. After getting this image, again I am setting as a payload to that by converting that into an image format. All the payload, the processed data, what I'm getting from the Java class, that I'm making as an image format. And next, for the same payload, again I'm converting into the binary. This binary I'm adding here into the template. So under this, if you see here, parse template is a connector which we are using to pass this HTML content to the mail, like email. So under HTML content, you can add an image, you can add any text, or you can add any records or anything, whatever you can add it, and you can pass here, and that you can put it into the connector. So this is a template I'm using. As I said, under resources, you have seen this is a template we have. So I'll show you of this. Yeah, so this is the template format I have used. So what is, like, I'm adding an image to this, and this is the source. Data is an image conversion of the base 64, and this is a payload, means whatever the data we are getting. So this is how I'm adding the all my processed image to this template and pushing the same template to the connector. So this is a connector where I have used connections of SMTP server, and I'm pushing the details here. But in my flow, again there is like a different we I handle that error handling for this connector. If any error occurs, or if any of the mail like failure occurs for this particular users, like we are using on premises SMTP server connections and all. So for that, sometimes it may get fail for us. So what happens, like we are triggering like at 8 o'clock I can trigger, and we can see like this so many mails so we are processing. If some of those are fails, again at after 15 to 20 minutes, again we are triggering for that connection. So that is how I am handling in the flow for that. But now, as I can't use those connections and I can't test it out here, so I have used this simple like Gmail SMTP server. Yeah, it is helping me to push the email, but it is not due to the security purpose or what, I don't know, the image is not getting loaded here. So this is a flow which I have triggered, which I have used. The same flow is for the same this one uh, for the anniversary as well. So uh, let me share you some templates of the response, but I can't share this. Let me stop my screen and I'll share you some of the templates, whatever I do have for the response and all, how we will get the response, even for the anniversary as well as in this.
Sanat asking like web consumer, are we consuming the digital? We are
So,
using soap consumer, right?
yes, so, yes.
Rafi, are you present?
Yes, yes. Just give me 2 minutes. Just I want to share some of this.
Yeah. In
Let me
meantime,
know.
so yeah,
Let me know if you are able to see my screen. Just I'm
yeah.
now.
Not yet.
Okay, just 2 minutes. Are you able to see?
Yes, yes. Now, yeah.
Okay, fine. So just I can't I can't run and I can't get these details so that so just I have taken some of the samples to show you for the response related how you will get it. So this is how the birthday related one where the name Mohan Prasad, if you see, this is a username which we are getting in the code. Like I have shown you here in the rest this one. So this is a name which I am getting. So that name we are processing and sending into the image to show up this. Okay. So this is how you will get the names and all for the in the templates. And for the anniversary, as I showed you, this is how you will get like 8 year anniversary. This is how we will be get converting and we'll be sharing or like giving the details of that. So these are the response we have here. Mm, yeah, I can share you the code as well, this templates and all, so that it will be helpful for that. But I can't run and show you here because I don't have particular details to get this for that. Yeah, that's it from my end. If you have any queries, please let me know.
Yeah, please let me know, like, if you have any questions. Anyone? I guess no questions.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Rabia, for this wonderful topic, and you explained very well. Like, yeah, I know, have some security reason we unable to run the demo, but yeah,
Yes.
but she explained very well, and she showed even response also, sample responses. Yeah, thank you, Rabia, for the
Oh, thank you so
wonderful
much.
presentation.
Yeah, thanks for this. And I'll share you the details, Vandana, if you need it all this.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, bye.
Whoever need that code and all, please put your Gmail or something so we can share if you need any templates and all.
Yes, yes.
Please share your Gmail. So thanks actually.
Okay, yeah, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you all. Please put it your. I'll share with Rafia for the Gmail. And if you want to be also speaker for this Goa meetup, please let me know. You can connect me on LinkedIn. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, Rafia.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.